Yep, you've seen it here first. They have a rock wall on their bus. This one is a Skoolie. They have bedrooms and everything. Everything's set up. Apparently doing schoolwork as well. So apparently this is where the toilet hides, I think. And then you can pull it into the shower area whenever you need it. Interesting. These are the batteries called sock or something.
We've tried to go the last 2 years. It's very hard to get in. You gotta pay money. And the big guys buy it once.
It's all wide. Easier to see.
World something there. World camping.
Okay.
So this whole thing just seals off right here with a door,
seals
right?
off, yeah.
Yeah, nice. And areas for plants for storage.
Up there, the command center, we still have to add the doors.
Oh, that's, yeah. But
So we're still about a week away. The van's not done.
right.
We've got about a week left of, little things here and there.
I mean, yeah.
And
Big old closet. You can open up that
wow.
closet right here.
it's got a. This is nice. Oh, and there's the toilet.
Right over there.
Cool.
We gotta add the gasket to the door.
Right.
And a lock mechanism.
Still. Wow.
This is our cool feature. This is our last big project. Is this right here? This is the
Oh, cool.
cereal, spices.
Yeah, spice
canned-
rack.
Canned items.
Nice.
Yeah. So we gotta finish this to match it. Big old closets.
Right, closets for everything. That'll be the cabinets for this.
Correct.
Yeah.
Everything is nice finish. A lot of storage. A
Cool.
lot of storage. Got 2 more drawers down here.
Is that a microwave?
Oven.
Oven?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Wow.
And you got some more storage over here behind you. There's a switch here. Oh no, we gotta add the breaker, the fuse.
Little storages here. Yeah.
More down here.
Nice.
Under here.
Ooh, and
Got more
another
storage
ceiling
over
light
here.
here. Under there?
Yeah, I gotta add the hands on the Webasto's under here. The heater.
Right.
The bench slides in and out. This bench, just take this up. And the handle.
Out of the way or whatever.
Yep. And then you just store the cushion under the bench over
Right.
here. Yeah, close this
Easy
up.
in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got little details here. Here we got the lime wash ceiling. This came out awesome.
Much easier.
It kind of shows up on the video.
Got the rafters, all in direct lighting.
Look. Wow.
Another spice.
And I love the steps right here going into the bathroom. That is cool.
Really happy with the way those came out.
And look at that sink. Nice.
We're all about dimensions as well.
Right.
Everything flows. Big spice rack up here. You can store a lot.
I don't know if I have that many spices, but
Or whatever. Chips up here. Whatever.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, and this just covers up.
That's incorporated shade to the same.
Cool.
We got a 12-volt Dometic air conditioning.
Oh, 12 volt. Nice. Oh, it's up here. Okay. This is all very nice. Oh, and there's the fridge. I was wondering where the fridge went. Oh, there it is. And this is a what? Dometic?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what chassis is this?
This is the, was it the 140, the Transit?
Oh, okay.
It's
Is
the
it?
biggest one they got.
Oh, so it's a dually.
It's not a dually. It's a 350.
Oh, okay.
EcoBoost, 6-cylinder. It drives awesome.
Right. Oh yeah, we have one.
Awesome. We got the secondary alternator on there from Nations. We got a solar panel. So. Yeah, she's ready. Off grid, ready. She'll be hitting the market in about a week or two. Yeah, so this is our layout, a new layout, because prior to this layout, we'd have the shower right here, the bathroom right here, the kitchen right there where the closet is. The bed would go east to west.
No, this is much better here.
So this is a new layout, so we're really excited and we're happy the way it came out. We're getting a lot of good feedback from everyone that's seen it so thus far. This is the first time we get to kind of showcase it, so really, really happy about it.
I'm not sure if the copper would work on the induction though.
Probably not. No. There's actually, I think it says not to use copper.
Right.
Yeah,
it looks pretty though.
No, yeah, that's for
it's
looks.
Decorative.
Yeah, that's for looks. Strictly looks.
They work
And this one is an Escape camper van. Has a rooftop. Interesting kitchen in the back, and apparently a refrigerator. Here's the sink. And let's see. Oh, there it is. Wow, cool. So you have an outdoor fridge or whatever you want. Nice. Very cool.
Climb up in. Nice to see you again, Bruce.
Here we are in Charlie the Grace. What do you call your
It's on the fridge. Ecolicious.
Ecolicious?
Ecolicious.
So it's Charlie Grace's Ecolicious.
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 Ecolicious. Yay! we should turn the AC on. You sit.
See? You have nice beds that you can sleep separate.
I do. Hold on one second.
You have a much larger...
There. Now we can
And I'm supposed to look in here?
So, let me tell you the story.
Okay.
One of the best features of this Winnebago Echo, it's a Spreco, 23B is the model number, is that it has an amazing bathroom that goes from a wet bath to a shower stall. And when you go in there, you can pull the wall, and you're like, wait a minute. It's really cool. Take a look.
Okay. I can figure out how to open the door. Oh, there it is. Oh, there's a handsome gentleman in there. Oh, that's me. Never mind. There's the toilet.
And then pull the wall. Take the gray wall. Nope, other wall. Where the sink is.
Oh, this. Oh, this. Oh, my lord. How does it stay?
It has a stamp at the top.
Oh, it has a thing. Okay. Look at that. A full shower.
Full shower.
A real full shower.
So it makes a difference if you're doing a wet bath.
Yeah.
You can,
Well, that's nice.
yeah, it works out really well.
Do all the Echoes do that, or?
They do, yes.
Nice.
So they did it in the Transit, and then of course they did the Sprinter as well. For me, I wanted the Transit because I wanted the Sprinter because I like the ground clearance.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little taller. It's about 10.5 inches ground clearance.
Oh, okay.
The beds are longer, and I have a larger garage. As well as the front area is different, although it's a little cluttered right now. This turns into a love seat. It can go sideways, or it can be a workstation. I do a lot of work.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we close this.
It's really just a very expensive doghouse on wheels.
Oof. And then we zoom in.
This is Miss Rosie.
Hello, Miss Rosie.
Say hello. Oh.
Hello. Yeah, you want to smell that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Good girl. Mwah.
CompoCloset. Hello. Tell us all about this amazing product.
Oh wow, we're going right into it already.
Right into it.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, they're a little bit taken out of an Honda. This is our flagship. This is our Kelty composting toilet. It has an agitator on the inside, articulating hinges here, a separate salesman. How much do you or your audience know about composting toilets?
We have a composting toilet that we use. People are out of business, but
The Seahead.
Seahead.
Now they're a great toilet.
Yeah.
They're a great toilet.
So I'm always looking to see what there is out there.
Understandable. This one I've taken its lid off, but they normally come. This I'm displaying our extra
that's
bamboo
nice.
lid that comes on it. They normally come with this lovely little white lid. And this is in the cutting light. It is then a separating toilet as well. But up top, they're all the same. So this is then our diverter. Here is then our, what we like to call the drop zone in the back. This opens up manually here.
Manual.
Got a nice little drop zone. We made it as big as we could, as you shouldn't have to think about these things when you're on the toilet. Yeah, and it closes like that, and you lock that shit away. What's nice about our plates here, so these, first of all, that they cover what you see, so you don't have to look at anything else, but they are also urine diverting. So stray liquid that falls on here will also then be diverted down into the front.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we've got a little pea shoot here that helps to divert that down.
Oh,
yeah?
nice. Very
and into
nice.
the liquids bottle here. We also have, for easy purposes of taking out, let's leave that up. We also have a sensor here to let you know when the liquids bottle is full. There's
Okay.
a little LED, and that comes on when it's time to empty it, so you don't have to worry about overflowing. Yeah, as I said, then the pea shoot here just filters it down into the liquids bottle. In this unit, we do not have an agitator. This is more of a separating toilet.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, where you would then start off with a bag. If you have a homestead or a cabin or something, you could then use it without a bag if you wanted to, but most people traveling will probably put a bag in it, and then they will layer their composting agent. This unit is then the classical composting toilet with an agitator. We added our agitator here in the front, where you always have space, instead of putting
you
it onto
just-
the side
yeah,
or
you
something
just
like
spin
that. We started off in van life, and we wanted to keep a very small profile, so you
Right.
could easily put into a bench seat. You could put it into your shower, take it in and out, or something like that. This one then has the agitator in the front. What's nice is that the lid's not attached, it's just a display at the moment. Also has the pea shoot. There's your little 9-volt battery for that. Inside of this unit, we also have articulating hinges, so you can mount it flush against the wall. Yeah.
Okay.
But we'd almost often say to just put chocks in here so you can keep it portable. It's about 21 pounds.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's not too bad. This one has a separate solid bin. So it comes out. And when it's time to empty, then you can just put a bag around it and put it upside down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The key here is self-aligning, so it just falls back. You don't have to worry about turning that or anything
nice.
like that. Yeah.
So how does the spinner work?
The spinner, wait, it's in here.
Yeah, but you have this spinner thing here. How does
Yeah.
that connect?
So it attaches to the key.
Oh, and there's just a bar. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Then you pull that out.
Pull this out, and this whole thing just.
Yeah, you can look at it right there.
Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah. We have left a little bit of a puffer around here. That is a complaint that we get sometimes. But we find that by emptying it, it's actually nice to have a bit of a dry area on the
Right.
sides. And everyone's like, oh, but it's wasting coconut core. I'm like, well,
Yeah.
it's nicer when you clean it.
Right.
But otherwise, this unit has a little fan and a carbon filter in the back, and it's set up to circulate air on the inside at the moment, though you can flip it around to vent externally. If people are full-time, we do recommend venting externally because of moisture, not
Right.
because of smell. Composting process, and so just the separation in general
Right.
keeps the smell down. But especially in places like Florida, you're going to get a lot of moisture because the composting process creates a lot of heat.
Cool. Well,
So,
thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Perfect. These people with bicycles who don't let me ride them.
You never asked.
Oh, that's true. Can I ride your bike?
Sure.
Can I have your bike?
You can ride it.
Oh, I can't have it.
No.
That's not fun then.
You want to have it? It'd be $1,200. And I can go buy another one.
Okay. It's an electric. Electric. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's actually nice. It fits in the back of the van well because
Yeah.
it folds in half. And I stick this into the back left corner. Wheels
And it
go
works
out to the
fine.
Middle of the aisle.
Cool.
You take the handlebar off, and it fits perfectly.
Cool. So, tell me what you think of VanFest at this point.
Groovy, man.
To understand that I can love, but not enough without you by my side.
Thanks, everybody.
You know I'm recording this. This is just too funny. Who's a good girl? Is Sherry a good girl? Sherry's a good girl.
Her tail's too into the cord.
Sherry. Who's a good girl? Sherry. Look at Susan. Where's Susan?
Hello, Siri.
Hey, Birdie,